Like, it's no shade. Especially with women like you. Hey boo, so in today's video, we are catfishing, baby. We are making people think we have a full face of makeup on when we actually don't. So if you are interested in how to make it do what it do, stay tuned. So boo, I already did this video before and I was like, oh my god, that was so cute. It got such a great response. I was like, let me make it again and go a little bit more in depth. Let me just put a PSA out there. I don't want to block anyone, love. Like, I know what I'm talking about and I'm not here to argue or debate. Everything that we are using in front of me today is not classified as makeup by the company. I am very clear on the definition of makeup. If you are not, maybe you should like look it up and familiarize yourself with it. But just because something has pigment, just because something stains, just because something has color doesn't define it as makeup, right? We used to dye our hair with Kool-Aid. That's not considered hair dye though, right? And that's what makes this look so easy, so beautiful, so skin-like, so fun, so quick. It's because it's skincare. And just because the company added pigment to the serum or to the moisturizer, it does not mean that it is makeup. So I don't want to block anybody because that's just how I am over here, boo. That's how I get down. I don't argue with people. I don't argue my point. I don't try to convince you that I'm right or to believe me or like none of that. I'm coming to share with you my knowledge, what I know as an industry professional of over 30 years. So I hope we can be friends and I hope that you can stay and I hope that, you know, you can take away some tips, some product recommendations, because that is my intention. I'm only here trying to help. Okay, so let's start. Going in with my tried and true Avo Cosmetics Botanical Toner. You can find this on my site. It's all natural, vegan, and organic, and it's so refreshing. Lightweight, restores the pH after cleansing. Like, look at me. I already look so much better. Next up, we're going to go in with the POV Drench It. This is so good. When I tell you this feels like a drink of water on the face. I just got it. I haven't had it long, but I have been enjoying it so much. It really is a beautiful product. If you have thirsty skin, oh my goodness, you will love this. I just get it like everywhere. Look at my skin. Yeah, I did these brows for TikTok and I was like, you know what, while I'm at it, let me hurry and just like film that video because I've been waiting to film this video for a while. Let me put a little bit of lip balm on because girl, these lips is feeling dry. Like, that's one thing when you start feeding moisture to one part of the face, you can really feel how dry the other part is. It's like your skin be like, I want some. Oh my god, so pretty. Look at how that looks. Like, already, baby, stop, honey, that is good, boo. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Revita Lift. Girl, I have been loving this as an under eye depuffer, just like really quick in the AM. I keep this in my bathroom now because like it's just so good. So I put a little bit on, like one little swipe or whatever for both eyes. And then I just take my time and I use the little balls to sort of just like massage and just take a minute just to do this. And it really does actually depuff. It has like caffeine in it, and then the cooling balls on the end helps so much. Like, L'Oreal has really been coming for the girls in the skincare department, okay? They really make beautiful, affordable skincare at the drugstore because baby, skincare can cost hundreds and thousands of dollars, baby. So finding something for $20, $30, $40 that is really, really good that you can put on your skin, you can see a difference, you can feel a difference, that is phenomenal. Like, I feel like you can see it working right before your eyes. Gonna tap the rest of that in, and of course we're gonna give the skincare just a minute to set in, you know what I mean? We're not gonna go straight in. That's how you know it starts to dry down, because it starts to get a little bit tacky. Revita Lift, I promise you, this isn't sponsored or anything like that. I have just been loving the Revita Lift. They did send this over to me, so I'm gonna go in with this next. You don't have to. This is the part where you can just like go in with any of your skincare that you want. You know me, I'm gonna cleanse, tone, essence, serum, moisturizer. And because we're not using makeup, we don't have to prime. We do have a primer or whatever, but we don't have to prime. If we were doing makeup, I will be using a serum and a moisturizer that has the primer built in it already, because I do not like the confusion of, is this gonna work under my makeup? Because baby, you'll get all the way to the end and the skincare that you prepped your skin with will start acting up when you start to get into the different layers and the different consistencies and the different textures of the makeup. It cannot play well, okay, after you done put in all of that time. But this right here, because everything is so lightweight, everything is so next to the skin, I have been loving this underneath my makeup. Like, even a little light application of found concealer and like my little blush and stuff like that I do, like my little 5-minute makeup routine when I put like my concealer and stuff. I haven't used this with foundation or anything yet, but as far as AM skincare for in the morning, this is so good. I absolutely love it. So this is the Revitalift Triple Peptides, which, if you don't know, a powerhouse, okay, for the anti-aging. Peptides is what you need. And this one right here is so stinking good. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. It feels amazing. Fast absorbing. Take some down the neck. And then the L'Oreal Revitalift Moisturizer Hydrant. This right here. Baby, listen. L'Oreal could do some skincare. I'm telling you, they could do some skincare, boo. I have been enjoying their products so much. Their Midnight Eye Cream. Oh, girl. Like, if you go up underneath your eyes with retinol like me, you know that they can get dry and itchy. Honey, the Midnight Eye Cream, let me just show you. This right here, baby, put this on when your eye is feeling dry and itchy and just uncomfortable and you need something. This is absolute, oh my god, I can't even resist. Like, it's so freaking good. Like, I'm trying to tell you, like, straight soothing, boo. Never irritating, doesn't burn. My face feels phenomenal. All right, so now we are going to go in with another serum, but it is also a makeup primer. It is the Chanel Skin Enhancer, and this is just so pretty. Like, you don't even really truly have to use this, to be honest with you. I like to use a little bit of it because it helps with a little bit color correction aspect. You can also use this L'Oreal Serum Le Duo. They give like the same finish, like they both have that orange color corrector type of thing. This sinks in super fast. It's matte natural finish. It gives that little hint of the orange left on the skin. It looks really pretty. It smells absolutely incredible. Like, if you are looking for like luxury style skincare at the drugstore, like L'Oreal, they are taking the world by storm with that one, baby. Because honey, I know me some skincare, baby, and when I tell you that it's giving high end, that's what I mean. So let me just go in with a little bit of this skin enhancer. I only do like a puff. It's getting low. A little puff ain't coming out. Okay. KiKi using that puff stuff. Cause child, I feel like I don't never hit pan on nothing, baby. When you actually hit pan, you know that you really like that. You see how it just softens? And you know what? Next time I'm gonna put this on with the other serum. Like, when I'm done with the white serum, I'm gonna put this on and then the moisturizer, so that I can like layer it properly. Like, as you can see, it still looks great, and it's gonna look even better when we put the other skincare stuff on. But I would do it a little bit different next time. I know it's gonna come out chunky and thick, but that's the risk that you take, and then it'll melt down a little bit better if I put like the moisturizer on top of that. But it's cool. As you can see, it's cool. All right, so the next thing we're gonna go in with is the Armani Skin Tint. Oh my goodness, this makes getting ready So easy. I did mix this with like the other shade that's like right up underneath this one, but you know what? I find that I don't even have to do that anymore, especially when I do this method, because with all the other stuff, it sort of just comes together. This is, let me show you what this shade is. Ooh, it's faded off so bad. Can you see it? But it's such a great consistency, nice, thin, liquidy, tinted moisturizer, okay? Tinted moisturizers, tinted moisturizer, BB cream is BB cream, foundation is foundation, concealer is concealer. Like, they're not all the same. Take a little down the neck, not much. You don't have to. And I'm gonna take this brush and just make sure everything is nice and pumped in. If you've been hanging out with me any amount of time, you already know I love the YSL Touche Carr. This is a brightening pen, and it is just like phenomenal for the no makeup look. It doesn't completely 100% erase anything, but what it does do is just soften the appearance and make you look slightly brighter, smoother, slightly more lifted, slightly more awake. Like, if you are the type of person that you want everybody to think you're not wearing nothing, girl, and like, it's no shade. Like, I personally don't mind looking like I have on a face full of makeup, but that is not everyone's ministry. Some people really like to look like barely there, not wearing much at all, even though they can have on all of the works. They don't want you to know. So if that is your thing, or if you just don't want, like, you just want to do a little something something, you don't look like you're wearing anything at all, like you look like you have a plain face, and like that's your face, you have on no other makeup, you just want to spot correct, you just want to do this, you just want to do that, you just want to do a little something something, and no one can tell you have on anything at all, this right here is your new best friend, the YSL brightening pen. Like, and it's so easy to use. Like, I love to just pat it in with my finger. Like, you don't even need brushes or anything with this, you just tap it into the skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my cheek flush. This is by Glow Recipe, and it is a serum. Actually, they don't call it a blush, they call it a cheek flush, and this is just gonna bring some dimension back to the face. These are the products too, by the way, that I will use like on a daily basis. Like, when people are like, do you do your makeup every day? I don't, but on the days that I'm not doing a full face, I reach for this stuff. And if I was to do makeup every single day, like if I'm not doing a full face that day, this is what I would put on every single day. And then I'm gonna take my powder puff with absolutely nothing on it and just press underneath the eye to set it. Like, whatever is already in this puff, that's what we are using, like that. Now, let's go in and do the lips, because the lips are a stain. So first I'm gonna go in with, oh wait, I gotta take off this lip mask. All right, so the first stain I'm gonna go in with is the Huda Beauty. This is in Toasty Brown. I like to use this to overline a little bit, and I have been obsessed with this. When I tell you obsessed, obsessed, baby. When I say put this on with your gloss, ooh, I want another color. I want another color. Then I'm gonna go in with the Sashu Stain. It's supposed to be this color. I don't know why all of them just turn out red on me, but you know, it's still cute. We just gonna let this sit. See, some got on my hand. See, like, it looked kind of orange on there, but then it's just like gets deeper and deeper, deeper red. Girl, don't ask me. All right, so while we're letting this sit, we're gonna pop on our lash so that we can have lift to the eye. This is gonna draw the eye up and out. Not sure which one I'm gonna do. You know, you can find all of these on my site. Let's go with this one for today. This looks like this is Tootie. Just gonna measure, see if I want to take anything off Yeah, maybe a little bit. Doing the stain right before the lashes is so clutch. You have all the time in the world waiting on it to dry down. Girl, isn't this looking so good? I actually went with the Luxe Lash. It's a little bit fluffier, a little bit sexier, a little bit more out there, baby. Give you some bedroom eyes. It's not so subtle and not so laid back. It is truly not for the faint of heart, honey. It's for the woman making a statement, baby. All right, let's go ahead and put on some of our serum spray. And then for the final touch, we're going to go with the L'Oreal Plump Ambition Lip Plumper. This is tinted as well. This is the shade. I really like this one, and I like that other one too, that other red one that they got. So yes, girl, this is my full face of absolutely no makeup, hun, and I think that this is eating down. This really right here, this is making the show. Tell you all of the time, a really quick way to look super pretty, super glamorous, super put together, like you put in way more effort than you actually did, is to throw on a glamorous lash, baby. Okay, so be sure to check out my site and also join my free VIP. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion, and it is me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, keeping you looking good, girl, because that's my job. So that is what I'm going to do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like